And crew, so we're gonna jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from HerGivenHair. It is the Feelin Mighty Coily unit. It's in 14 inches. I did previously rock this unit here on my channel. I did the twist out. If you guys remember that video, it will be in the description box below. But I went ahead and co-washed the unit, and I'm using the Lotta foaming mousse, and today we're going to be doing coils on the unit. Previously I did do a twist out on the unit and you guys loved it. I loved it too. So we're going to go ahead and try a coil out on this unit. This unit is so pretty. I love the coloring and the texture is really beautiful. I did get mine in a cap size small, and it is 140 grams, and this is a 13x6 lace front unit, you guys. As you guys can see, it's really easy to style. I'm literally just putting the mousse on it, combing it through with my detangling brush, and I'm just literally twirling it around my fingers, or using both of my fingers to twirl it in a coil, and the hair coil very nicely. I would suggest using a styling mousse when doing styles like this because it's very light on the hair. It doesn't weigh the hair down, and you get really good results. So I did all of the hair first that has the tracks, and then now I'm going into the frontal. So just make sure you detangle the section. And coils are really easy to do, so if you don't know how to twist or braid, coils are literally just twirling the hair until you get this nice little spiral. And this is what it looked like when I was all finished. So we're going to go ahead and install the unit. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig cap on. I did spray it with a little bit of spray. I do pull my cap back, and I did leave my hairline out. You guys know I do have a low hairline. In the last video of me installing this unit, I didn't leave my hairline out, but I'm applying a little bit of foundation to the cap, and I was spraying the even lace tinting spray because I did wash this unit, so all of the spray and everything washed out. I'm not doing a ball cap method because y'all know that takes too much time, and this is just quicker for me. So I'm going to be applying this unit with the Got To Be Glue Free spray, and this time around I left my hairline out. Last time I didn't leave any of my hair out, but I wanted to go ahead and switch it up this time, and I'm just going to go ahead and tie that down and let that sit into place. Now that I have it all situated, so I'm going to go ahead and comb the wig's hairline back, and I'm just going to go ahead and get my edges together. So I'm just using a little bit of Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to go ahead and swoop them around. As you guys can see, the unit does lay down really nicely. Even after being installed before, it's still installed really nice. So it's in a good shape. In my beauty blender and blend it in the lace, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and separate all of the coils. I did put a little bit of oil on my hands, but not too much because this is a wig and I didn't want it to like weigh the hair down. So I'm just separating like a couple of times. You can separate however many times you would like, but I definitely wanted to keep the texture in with the coil, so I'm just kind of like separating them in the direction that I coiled them. You definitely have to have a lot of patience when unraveling these. You can do it before you put the unit on your head, but I just like to do it once I get the unit on. That way I can shape it up. Decided to go ahead and do my side part. Y'all know I am definitely a side part girl. And yeah, so excuse how I have the track showing right there. I did put the frontal hair over it, as you guys can see. And now I'm just kind of like smoothing out the front with a little bit of Eco Styler gel and Got To Be Glue Free spray. And now I'm just going to go in and fluff out the hair with my hands, and I'm also going to be using my pick, but like I said, I missed a few, so I'm just going back in and making sure I have them separated how I want them to look for me. But yeah, I'm using some spray just to kind of like tame the hair and hold it down. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer to my part and get that all seamless and situated so it blends nicely. They're all situated. This is how it turned out. Super cute. Look at all that definition and texture. I love it. I love the shape of this unit. It just turned out so cute. I really love the texture. It's giving me like locks, like the curly locks. I love that. That's the vibe it's kind of giving me. Super cute, but they're coils. Hey MB crew, wanna be here. So you guys have now made it to the end of the video. As you guys know, this unit is from HerGivenHair, and it is the Feelin Mighty unit. As I told you guys in the beginning of the video, I have worked on this unit previously. I styled this unit in a twist out, as you guys may know, and we are running it back. You guys really love this wig. I really loved it as well. So I've had this unit since September of 2021, and it is now January 2022. And as you guys can see, the unit is still holding up. It's still in tip-top shape. It looks so good. Went ahead and did a coil out on it. Now, I was a little skeptical about the coil out, but it actually turned out really cute. Like, the texture in this coil out is so bomb. Like, get into the texture. Like, you cannot tell me this is not giving, this is your real hair. Like, this looks so good. I love this unit because I love the fact that it's like this chocolate brown, and then it has the highlights. It is just so pretty to me. It was very beautiful in the twist out. Yeah, I loved it, and I feel like it is just as beautiful in the coil out, which came out so bomb. I've never really done coils on my natural hair. I think I have, like, before I was like on YouTube, but I don't think I've ever done it on a wig. And of course, HerGivenHair was the best unit, the best option to do this type of style on. Their units work really well for like twist outs, braid outs, things like this, rod sets, coil set. Rod set will probably be really cute on this unit. This is a really cute unit. This is actually probably one of my favorite units from them. I love the length because it is 14 inches, and this is like my go-to length with my natural hair wigs. I feel like it looks so realistic. It frames my face really nicely. Y'all, this unit is holding up really nice. Even the lace, I laid it down. Last time I didn't do any baby hairs. These are my real baby hairs. Y'all know, if you've been watching me for a long time, then you do know that I have a low hairline. So I did leave my baby hairs out. I don't like to bring my wig really far down on my forehead because I just don't like how it feels. So I did leave my hairline out, added a little concealer to the part, and the unit is bomb, y'all. Like, it's super full. Y'all know HerGivenHair does they thing. Okay, they do not skip out on the hair. So if you guys were wondering and wanted an update on this unit, the unit is still in tip-top shape, y'all. It's giving me what it needs to give. It's doing what it needs to give. It is doing for me. It has so much body. You guys want to get this unit, this will definitely be cute, and let it like fluff out as the days go on. Oh my gosh, you're gonna look so bomb, because you know this is first day hair. So as the days go on, woo, this will be smoking. So cute. It's cute now on the first day, but I can only imagine it as the days go on. Get into it. Get you one. Y'all know how HerGivenHair do. They have some of the best quality units in the game. If you were ever wondering if you can reinstall the lace, yes you can, time and time again. The lace is still laying flat. It's nice. Like I said, I don't have any actual baby hairs cut out of the actual unit. These are my own. So you don't have to do baby hairs. You can do baby hairs. It looks really natural. I know last time I did rate this unit an A. The unit is still an A. Okay, it is still an A. It is doing what it needs to do. It is looking cute. I'm feeling cute. I'm feeling myself. Y'all know this is definitely one of the shapes. I love this shape. Like, when my natural hair grows out, I'm going to get my hair cut in a shape like this, because it's just so cute and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. So everything about HerGivenHair will be in the description box below. The first video that I did on this unit will also be in the description box below, so check there. The unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below, so make sure you guys copy one. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.